What's up, guys? Today we're going to ruin a perfectly good tire, but it's for a good cause because I'm going to teach you how to fix a puncture while you're out on the road. The tire that we're going to violate today came as original equipment on my 2020 Ninja 400. It's a Dunlop Sport Max. It has about 7,500 miles on it. It still has a little bit of life in it. There's maybe about a 1/16 of an inch before it gets to the wear bar. But we're going to go ahead and drive this screw into the tire. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and pull it out. There it goes. You can hear the air coming out. Here's a kit that I purchased a while back. I think I got it from JP Cycles. It comes with the insertion tool, an auger, a little package that contains different kinds of patches and a tube of cement. We'll use that. These patches are meant for repairing a tube tire, but since we have a tubeless tire, we'll use these plugs. And then there's a valve core removal tool. Won't need that today. Oh, it even comes with a spare valve core. And this is meant to scrape a tube if you're going to use one of those patches. A little pack of scrubs. I haven't called that before. And then it came with one of these. This is a CO2 tube that can be used to inflate the tire. And then this connects the CO2 cartridge to the filler valve on the wheel. Here's a sleeve that you can put around the CO2 cartridge, because when these are released, they get really cold. And then I purchased these extra cartridges just in case one isn't enough. Alright, so these are all the things that we're going to use today. Unless the hole was caused by a large screw or nail, you'll have to use one of these augers to make the hole large enough for the insertion tool. So you just stick it in and twist it. There we go. Now we'll take one of these plugs, take it out of its protective packaging. It's very sticky, and then we'll put it into the insertion tool. Now the kit also comes with a tube of glue. It's really important to use it not only for adhesion, but it also serves as a lubricant to allow this plug to glide in a lot easier. There we go. Now we just drive this into the puncture. Not all the way in. You want the ends to be exposed. Sometimes it takes quite a bit of force to get it in there. Let's try a little bit more glue. There we go. Now we'll have to yank this insertion tool out quickly so that the plug stays in the tire. There we go. To finish the job, we'll cut it flush with the surface of the tire. Hopefully you carry a knife everywhere you go. There you go, it's done. This tire is completely flat now. I can push my finger into the sidewall. So let's see how well these cartridges can fill a motorcycle tire. Start by pulling the cap off and then partially screw in the adapter. Don't screw it in all the way yet or else it'll puncture the seal too soon. And then we'll screw this onto the valve stem. Make sure it's seated all the way. Take our little foam piece so we don't freeze our fingers and just start screwing it in. And that releases the CO2 and puts it into the tire. Now we can unscrew it. This bottle is like completely cold, it's iced over. And then unscrew the adapter. Let's see how much pressure is in there. Let's see how much pressure that one cartridge gave us. Only about 11 pounds. Let's put a couple more in there. Here's cartridge number 2. All right, let's see how much we got. Up to 20? Yeah, I'll definitely need 3. And then here's the third one. $28-29 pounds. So that's enough to at least get to the next motorcycle shop to replace this tire. There you go, guys. That's how you fix a puncture in a tubeless tire while you're out on the road. This is a temporary fix. It's only meant to last until you can get to the next tire shop. Which is why I have this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to mount and balance your own tires. It only takes about 30 minutes, save you a lot of money. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.